Good morning. It's almost 8 o'clock on Tuesday, and we're about to have breakfast brought to us. Good morning, friend. Wow, it is really, look at that. Whoops. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Ready? Yum.
Thank you so much.
Those omelets. So this morning for breakfast at the Airbnb, it looks like we got some omelets, some papaya, some pineapple, and some watermelon with the classic Bali coffee that Macy loves. I have spare clothes for afterward. Grab 2 bottles. Oops. Last but not least, we need the GoPro. I'll try to get some duck footage today. It is 8:45. We're being picked up at 9:30, so we're gonna go get a quick latte, I think, yeah? You already know what it is. You already know what it is. Hazelnut latte for me, and a hazelnut latte for Macy. So we're in a little bit of a dilemma. We have 505K left, and the drive from Nusa Dua to Ubud was like 375, so I kind of thought we were good. And we just checked what the price is to get to Uluwatu tomorrow, and it's almost 600K. So we might have to switch some things up, but we're gonna message Ida, our driver from the past couple days, and see if he can't work with us and get it down to that 500 number. Quick update, Ida said sure, so now I gotta figure out how much it's gonna cost. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Guys got a ladder on the scooter. We're experiencing our first real Bali rain, and it's right before we ride the ATVs, so this could be epic. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Good morning. This place is pretty cool so far. We're signing our lives away. Once we get in, you can tell me what you think.
Yeah. We're going rafting. We're going on a K truck.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, get wet. Oh.
Sorry, take one photo. Go hit crocodile later.
Thank you.
Okay, right. Welcome.
All right, about 5,000 steps later, and we're still going. Knees are hurting from yesterday, but I think we're almost there. We can hear the water. We're finally almost there. Yes. Oh yeah, there's the rafts, baby.
In the front. Kita do.
Well, maybe we won't get the best footage.
Until the halfway, you see the local people sell drink. Maybe you buy some to the drink. It's okay. But no bring man now. You can buy later until the restaurant. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Ready? Hey, brother.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, Terry.
Yeah, practice fast.
Oh, yeah.
Dancing. No, like this. Up, down, up, down.
Oh. Hey. Oh, good Lord. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, watch out for this big old thing. Oh, yeah. That's okay. It's all part of the experience. Now we're talking. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! That's a little bit. Oh, it's a little bit chilly. Oh yeah! Oh, cheese whiz! Oh yeah! Oh yes! Yes! Yeah! Cold. Oh, God, that was cold as frick, dude. You and me. Oh, wow. Holy smokes. Oh, my God. Oh, what? Oh, my gosh. That thing be a kissing. My goodness. Check out that waterfall, gang. What do you think so far? Woo! It's my turn to take a picture! Jigs! Oh, these ones are massive. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Woo! There's a waterfall there. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Wow. Waterfall.
Thank you, sir.
Nice little resort. Someday. Oh yeah! Time to dance.
Nothing happened.
Oh no, we're stuck. We're never getting home. Okay, we're going backwards now. Oh yeah, backwards. Yes. Yes. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah. Oh wow, that is.
That was awesome. We're about to climb up the steps and our legs are hurting, our hips are hurting, our knees are hurting, but we're so excited. So that's all I got.
Here we are climbing more steps. Now we're going through some thicket in this jungle, but we've knocked out about 80 steps. So if there's truly 250, then we're making solid progress. These guys have the rafts on their heads. I don't know what the view's like, but that's crazy. Hello.
Hello.
It's 150.
100 to go. Let's go. Oh, sorry. No thanks. No thanks. Did you count the little bitty guys? So maybe right at 250.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. Got some lunch at the buffet.
This is the view.
Time for dessert.
All right, so we got a
The
package
cookies
deal.
sucked. Coffee, okay. Cookies, no.
It was supposed
You
to
come
be.
here, don't. It's 10K for 2 cookies. Like, that's practically free, but it's not worth it.
It was really, like, so bad.
Don't get suckered into it.
It just sounded like a really nice combo. A latte, 2 cookies. They're hard as a rock, and one tastes like dirt, and the other tastes like a hard cosmic brownie with less flavor.
Oh, okay, sure. Oh, wow. We have to wear certain shoes? Like that? Let's go! Oh yeah, baby. My wrists are gonna be sore. I'm locking these things tight. What? You don't trust me? Don't be silly. I'm still gonna send it. Yes, ma'am. What the heck is that guy? Oh, we're swapping. Okay. Yeah, new tread. Oh, this one just feels better. We're on a new bike. We're giving it a little test run to the same terrain. Oh yeah, this thing's nice. Ow! Woohoo! It's 2:12 p.m. and we're sending it to the jungle on ATVs. Name a better activity right now. After some bomb cookies. Name one better activity after those bomb cookies. Yeah. All right. Ow!
Oh my lordy, lordy, lord.
How does he do all that? Ah, I like this guy. Alright? Are we just gonna whip it the whole time? Look at he's stuck, he's stuck. Man, our traction's gonna suck through here. Oh gosh, she's gonna kill me. Can't tell if she's okay or not. Good service or great service? Stand up a little. Ow. Are you? I'm getting my butt off. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh my balls! Oh, I was gonna embrace it. I was just gonna get your face in the frame. Oh, it's hot! Oh, it's smoking so much, bro. Oh. Okay, me too. Oh, shit! I didn't think it'd be like this. This is awesome. Oh.
Oh shit! Oh, it's so hot! It's so hot! It's... My foot! Oh, oh my gosh! Here's the cave. You ready? I'm scared. Oh wow, that is dark. Oh wow, that is freaking dark. Oh man, I feel like I'm on a roller coaster. Oh! Yeah, baby. Wow. Rocks. I think it's onions or rice. I don't know either. Oh, yeah, that's my girl. Oh yeah, dude. Oh gosh. Oh, God, help me. Oh my gosh! Woo! That was crazy! Oh my goodness!
No, no.
Holy moly! I don't even know if that documents what just happened. Yeah! Oh yeah! Wow! How was it? How was it? Oh! Golly! Moses Jeepers Creepers! Oh! Okay, I got my money's worth. Big jump. Big jump. Money's worth. I got my money's worth. Oh! I'm getting That's in it while we're ahead. I'm getting I'm so getting Oh, get your shit away. Oh! Just now? Oh! I'm getting I got my money's worth. I got it. I got it. Trust me, I got my money's worth. Trust me. Oh! I wish we had a camera up here of our faces. That would be worth paying for. Oh! Another bump. Oh! I'm content. Believe me, we are so content. We got our money's worth, and we're ready for this to be over. Trust me. Oh! Yes, money's worth. I'm getting my money's worth. This is to make up for those trash cookies. Oh. Watch us go through one more time, like that not be the end. I'm afraid we're about to redo it. I'm afraid we're
doing it one more time. I want to get my money's worth. That's where we would have gone. This is the end. This is actually the end, right? Oh, yes! Woo! That was epic.
So fun.
A little protein bar break. Got to pick up a few essentials real quick at the grocery store. Let's pick up a few POs. Getting 3?
Yeah.
Alright, and then picking up a poncho so the backpack doesn't get soaking wet. And then we're going to find some luwak coffee. It's powder. Decided we're just going to send it with 2 of the powdered luwaks. There's no beans, and this has been the cheapest price we've seen, so screw it. Looking at candy, we learned that Haribo, at least this is made in Indonesia. But then there's some other interesting looking products up here. What is this one? Flakes? We decided we're going to try these. They're like mandarin orange slices. Do you know how much this is?
Oh yeah.
Nice. Moo has the goods. It might have been a bad idea not to get the poncho. I forgot that we have to look at pottery. So this will be interesting. Now we're about to try out a new pottery place that we saw while we were driving by yesterday called Touch of Asia. Actually not even sure if it's open. Let's see. Well, that was short-lived. So it's closed and we can see the few items that we were interested in. But the good news is it all really looks the same as the other store, so I think we're fine. Maybe it was a better price, maybe not. Well, may never know. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Let it be. Holy crap. Seems like we just walked through an entire country. 20-minute walk felt forever and there were people everywhere. Nikuna Matata. What a wonderful. So close. Oh, they double walked it. There we go. Home sweet home. Get the turbo bumping. What a day! All right, so we're going to go ahead and try these puppies out. They are like little mandarin oranges. I think they're individually packaged as well, right? Mm-hmm. All right, cheers.
Yeah, pretty good.
Very sweet. It's not as orangey as I thought it would be.
They don't taste like the bright orange orange slices we're used to.
Yeah, but they are good.
Uh-huh.
Very sugary.
Mm-hmm.
But good. It's 5:20 p.m. and we're headed to get a massage. Same place as yesterday. Yes, we made it. Our new go-to.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Okay, guy let us up here. And if I have a guy masseuse, I'm leaving.
Or just say, no thanks, I need a woman.
Could say that too. It's about 6:30 and it's getting dark. The massage was good, but I don't think anything will top yesterday's massage.
Yeah.
Yesterday was just incredible, and we were spent after a crazy hike, but it was still good. And now we're hungry, and we're gonna go find a place to eat. Hard to resist.
I'll give you 100 rupiah if you can guess where we're eating dinner tonight.
100? Just not
Yeah.
even 100K?
No, just 100.
Nothing.
They don't know. They don't know how much it is. Anyways, we're at Runs. Can you see it?
Higher. There you go.
That's
So
really hot.
We're starting off with 2 spring rolls. We're really mixing it up out here. We don't know what either sauce is. We do know these are hot as heck though, and that they look like taquitos. Just like that, the big guns have arrived. It's like a sweet, textury sauce. It's like a sweet thin sauce. Low sweet. Really good. What do you think?
Good.
Good?
Yeah, try this one.
For sure. Okay.
Like doing yoga.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
That's the price,
Yeah. I can't even lie to you. We heard them singing during dinner, and we thought it was karaoke night somewhere because, oh my gosh, they just don't sound good, especially from a distance. But then we went and found it, thinking it would be a bunch of Nimrods doing a little karaoke night, and it was very much a 2-person band performing at a restaurant. So that's awkward. Also, real quick, we picked up some coconut-based ice cream. I got the caramel cone flavored on a cone, and Macy got something
brownie, cookie and brownie.
like maybe cookie dough brownie or something like that. But they're good. It's a nice little tasty dessert. It's right outside of our room, so we couldn't let it pass.
Passed by it every single day multiple times, so it was about time we actually got it.
Today was another really successful day, and we were really tired. So we've learned that that's how you know you've had a fun day in Ubud. So we'll see you tomorrow.